In this video today, we are sharing on how to calculate dollar or naira value of your PAWS coin allocation. How you can calculate the dollar or naira value of your PAWS allocation. PAWS allocation has taken place yesterday, and today is the 22nd of February 2024. And many people are already smiling because of what they saw as their allocation. Some got 4,000, some got 5,000, some got 6,000, some got much more than that, while some others got less than that. As you can see on the screen, I am showing you some that got 4631.9 PAWS, some got more than that, and some also got less than that amount. So in the comment section, let me know how many PAWS you were given as your allocation. Now back to business. Based on this allocation they are given, we don't know the listing price yet, but the listing price is going to be made known in this very month of February and in the next few days. Now let's assume that the allocation you are given is 4,000. So I'm using 4,000 as the 4,000 PAWS coin as the allocation you are given, and let's assume the listing price is $1. If 4,000 is your allocation and listing price is $1, that means you are going to get in dollar value, that's $4,000, and in naira value, that's going to give you 6.4 million naira, and that means it cooked very well. Now, if your allocation is still 4,000 and 0.1 is the listing price, $0.1, that means that is going to give you $400, which is equivalent of 640,000 naira, and it cooked very well also. If the allocation is still 4,000 PAWS coin and then the listing price is 0.01, that means you are going to have dollar value of $40, which is going to give you 4,000 naira. It still cook well in Nigerian's money today. At least it can buy half bag of rice, it cannot buy a full bag of rice. Now, if the allocation you're given is still 4,000 and it leads for 0.001, that means what you are going to get in dollar value is going to be $4, which is just 6,400 naira, which is still dust for me. If the allocation you are given is 4,000 and the listing price is 0.30 that means your dollar value is going to be 0.4, which is going to give you 640 naira in naira value, and that is very, very dusty. If your allocation is 4,000 and the listing price goes to 0.00001, that's 4 zeros and 1, that means your dollar value of what the PAWS you are going to get is going to be $0.04, which is going to give you 64 naira, and that is real dust. So I want us to keep hope alive as we expect the actual listing price for dust. My name is Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun, and I'm your host on this YouTube channel. On this YouTube channel, I teach you how to make money both online and offline. Let's just hope for the best that at least this listing price of this PAWS gets either $1 or 0.1 or 0.01. Anything outside 0.01 is going to be dust for me. So what do you think? Let me know your views in the comment section below. So we shall know the actual listing price in the next few days. I'm going to see you in the next one. Before you go, there are more things you need to do on this channel. Like this video, share the link of this video, subscribe to this channel, and keep coming back for more. Have you started mining Pi? If you have not started mining Pi, please go and see my videos on Pi, and I'm going to leave the link for you to join the Pi crypto airdrop here. Pi is anticipated to do much more, or even like Bitcoin. So it is still at a starting phase. It's listed on the 20th of this February, just 2 days ago, and it started mining 6 years ago. People have been mining and mining 6 years ago. Many have lost their account in this Pi. I've done a video on how you can recover. Just check my recent videos on Pi and you are going to be glad today. Please subscribe to this channel again, like this video, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and then this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next video to go and watch now. See you in the listing date. Bye for now.